Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign in Sendbuzz. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the entire process. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Once you're logged into your Sendbuzz account, you will direct it to the dashboard. From there, you have to find campaigns. Once you find a campaign, select on that. After selecting campaigns, you have to select create campaign. Then it will ask you to give a name to your campaign. So you have to give a campaign name. After that, you got two sources where you can import your list. So first is CSV file and the lead list. So I'm selecting lead list right now. Here, you have to select your list. Then it will ask you for a duplicate prospect. If you want to allow your duplicate prospect, then select on yes, allow duplicates. If you don't, then don't allow duplicates. It's upon you. Then after doing that, after selecting the options, you have to select next. Then it will ask for email verification. If you are good with the email verification, you can select on next. If you want to skip the verification, you can do that. So select on next. After your list imported, it will show you how to start your campaigns. So you have to select on build from scratch. Then selecting that, you have to type your email template. So select a new email where you have to type your subject line to share with your prospect, then a proper email body where you can describe your description. So after doing that, select on save. Once you save that template, you have to go to your option for review. Then you can also individually change your template for your client, or if you want to share the same template with everyone, then select on all. Once you do that, select review selected. If you are good with that, then select on OK. Once you click on OK, you have to make sure that without reviewing your email ID or without review, you cannot able to start your campaign. So once you do that, your campaign is started. And that's it. You have successfully created a campaign in Sendbuzz. Now you can track its performance and optimize your future campaigns for even better results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Goodbye.